people sacrifice their entire life for just a chance to be in Harvard. However, for the next 100 hours, I'll be listening to the top Harvard professors for absolutely free. Let me explain why I'm even doing this in the first place. Colleges cost a fortune. It burdens people with student debt into their adult life, being forced by their parents who believe that if you did not go to college, you will fail and end up a bum. I'm about to prove these parents wrong. On the first day, I decided to knock out 3 hours right after I woke up. I didn't expect the lectures to actually be entertaining. They're not like your normal classes where you could tell your teacher is going through a midlife crisis. It's probably because Harvard professors are rich AF. Anyways, after 3 hours, I've learned to do this in scratch. By the end of the 100 hours, I'll take a test. And if I somehow fail this test, I'll face my worst fear. What my worst fear is, you'll just have to keep watching. This here is Dylan, and he's the professor for CS50. And I just want to say, this guy has really good speaking skill. He delivers the most boring information in the most entertaining way. I feel like I could literally code a multi-million-dollar app right now. Now, this far into the challenge, I have to be honest. I have an attention span half that of a goldfish, so I'm finding myself distracted very easily. To solve this, I came up with a solution, which is kind of cheating, but for the past few days, I've just been playing the lectures in the background when I'm doing tasks like working out, gardening, or taking a fat dump. Past 20 hours, I've only listened to CS, which I'll explain why in a bit, but I finally decided to switch courses. And there are some interesting courses. Like, look at this course. Who doesn't want to be happy, right? This kid made $30 million at just the age of 16. His name was Nick Dialgio. But this isn't even the most impressive part. The guy was a self-taught coder who through online programs learned to create an app. He did not spend a fucking dime on his education. Hey, computer science people, comment down if you know what this is. Maybe now's time to share what my worst fear is. Ever since I was a little boy, one thing scared me above all else. It's not snake, height, or even clown. You know, growing up Asian, you're not really allowed to express your feelings, especially not to girls, you don't. For this reason, I stutter and get mega nervous talking to girls. This is why if I fail this challenge, I must ask a girl for her number. This is Yoda, and he's been basically my only companion this whole time. Okay, let me put it straight. After a long day of school, I'm not trying to listen to more lectures. I'm just trying to chill, but I know what's at stake. If I don't even complete this challenge, I'll have a whole video wasted, and I don't want to be that loser. So I pushed through and listened to 10 whole hours of Harvard lectures on one Saturday day. I have to get at least 70%, or else you know what the punishment is. 30 questions. What is processing? Red.
One million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
25 out of 30. Okay, let's see. Let's see. 83%. Let's go.